Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing good, taking care of yourself and your family. Due to this pandemic situation, we are not able to go out and have food from the restaurant. So I thought of making some dishes of the restaurant in my house itself. The main highlight of today's video is that I'm going to make two dishes with the same vegetable, that is cauliflower. The first dish is gobi manchurian and the second dish is Szechuan cauliflower. Please do try both the dishes. Believe me, you will love them. We need just one cauliflower for both the dishes. Cut the cauliflower into small florets and then we need to boil it so that all the germs is destroyed. So in the boiling water we will add some salt and some turmeric powder. To that we'll add the florets and closing it with a lid we will boil it for a minute in medium flame. Once it's boiled, we'll strain it and then keep it for cooling. Now let's see the ingredients for both the dishes. We need 2 tablespoons each of finely chopped ginger and garlic, about 4 to 5 green chilies, 1 onion finely chopped and half onion cubed and 1 capsicum cubed. Now let's make the batter. For this we need 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of corn flour, a tablespoon of rice powder, a tablespoon of soya sauce, a pinch of Kashmiri red chili powder, a teaspoon of pepper powder, a teaspoon of ginger and garlic that we have finely chopped, salt as required. Now adding a little bit of water, we'll make the batter. This batter is needed for both the dishes. So we'll mix it together and keep the rest in the refrigerator to make the next dish. After mixing it well, we'll add about a tablespoon of all-purpose flour and half tablespoon of corn flour to make the mixture tighten up a little bit. We'll store this mixture in the refrigerator. For making the first dish, we'll take it out after 20 to 30 minutes and the rest we'll take out the next day. Heat a kadai with oil. Now we need to fry these florets. I'm taking only a half of the batter today. The rest I'll take tomorrow for making the next dish. Once it's fried, we'll take it out from the oil and transfer it to a plate. Now for making the gravy, let's heat a pan. To that we'll add 2 tablespoons of oil and to that we'll add the ginger, garlic and the green chilies. We need to roast it for about a minute and then we'll add the onions which is finely chopped. We'll only take half of all these ingredients because we need the rest for the next dish. Add some salt. Roast this well. Once it's fried well, we'll add the sauces. We'll add 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of hot sauce or you can use chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup or tomato sauce and a tablespoon of vinegar. We need to mix all the sauces well and keep stirring it, otherwise there are chances for it to get burnt. Now we need to mix 1 tablespoon of corn flour to a glass of water and then add it to this mixture. Stir it well. We can see that the mixture is thickening up. Once the consistency becomes this thick, we'll add the capsicum that is cubed, mix it well, and then we'll add the florets that is fried. Mix everything well, and then we'll add the onions that is cubed. Mix it up. You may use this capsicum and onion for garnishing also. I mixed it up with the gravy. Now we'll close this with the lid and cook it for about a minute in low flame. After 1 minute, let's check the gravy. It's done, so the gobi manchurian is done. Please do try this recipe. It's not that spicy. You may add a little bit of sugar also. But sugar is optional. I didn't add it. You can have gobi manchurian with fried rice, chapatis and puris. Please do try this. Now let's see the recipe for the next dish, that is Szechuan cauliflower. The only extra ingredient we need is tomato. It is a half tomato cut into pieces. Heat a kadai with oil. We'll add the cauliflower florets in the batter to this oil and fry it. This is the batter which I had kept yesterday in the refrigerator after making gobi manchurian. Once it's fried, we'll transfer it to a plate. Now for making the gravy, we'll heat a kadai. To that we'll add 2 tablespoons of oil, and then we'll add all the ingredients that was left from yesterday's gobi manchurian. Actually, I had mixed all the ingredients together, so I'm adding it together. To this we'll add a little bit of salt and a pinch of turmeric powder and a pinch of Kashmiri red chili powder. These 2 ingredients are extra from yesterday's recipe. Then I'll add about 2 teaspoons of Szechuan sauce. This is the only sauce that I'm using today. And then I'll add the tomatoes. Mix it well and let it cook for about a minute so that the tomatoes turn mushy. After a minute, we'll check the tomatoes. It's cooked well. This dish is a bit spicy. Yesterday's was not that spicy. Now we'll add 1 tablespoon of corn flour to a glass of water and then add it to this mixture. Mix it well. We'll see that the gravy thickens up. Once it's become this thick, we'll add a little bit of water. Mix it well. You can see the color change of this gravy and yesterday's gravy. Now add the cauliflower that is fried and mix it well. Close it with the lid and cook for a minute. After a minute, the Szechuan cauliflower is done. You can have it with fried rice, chapatis or rotis. Do try it, it is a spicy dish. The vegetable may be the same for both the dishes, but the tastes are totally different. Do try both of the recipes and also give your valuable comments in the comment section. Please do like the video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Take care and bye-bye till we meet again.